Kiladon hadu palat nyo pongot ki Samla puli ki papas pa ha secondary school leaving certificate bat ha higher secondary school leaving certificate na keleng ki Shillong jong kanong ba Shillong ki balasha pen Khuborom ha National People's Youth Front Shillong City mentakas ni sajan. Adon lang ha ni kasngi na du ka menteri ketenat kuat kakia Dr. Amperin Lendo kum ka kongsan nang ta working president ke NPP ba Hamletson Doling bat kumju unong aikten ka parti ba HM Shampliang. Nalor kinong yalam jong ke Npyf lawan ban pensyongkun yakani ka jingelang nadu ki kimi ki pa pat ki bahi ngasem jong ki Samla puli. Wala ka di kasien ke baningkong ba ke Npyf kala penlong yakani ka program hendrai ka jingbun ki Samla ki balasya pen Khuborom hakani kasngi kala pensyongkun ya ka program.
To give 50,000 rupees as support to the highest mark holder in both the board category examinations that today we commemorate and recognize. President may kindly get in touch with the president of 16 East. We are here to handhold our children. We are here not to give you lip service, but to assure you that we are making systems functional in this generation. You give the NPP an opportunity to continue in its governance. You will see substantial, tangible, evaluated success stories. Look at the roads, look at the water, look at the health, look at all the other social indicators. NPP is delivering its promise to the people. The people will stand to judge us. But while we go ahead, we will assure you that if there's any problem that any citizen has, we are here to hear you. It is incorrect to obscure the truth. It is incorrect to say that students do not get scholarships. Our government, in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sure that we are there to attend to the need of our students. Since drugs was discussed and a song was written to talk about the problems of isolation of young people. Dear young citizens of the state of Meghalaya, you can perform, you will get marks, you have the talent, you have supporting family systems, you have a supporting government. But the devil is working in your minds. Like I said, talent is given to all. Let us resolve in this forum today to tell every young person to take a pledge that the devil shall not destroy or destruct or distract my life. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, on behalf of the Deputy Chief Ministers who are not here to laud this wonderful program, I take this opportunity to thank each and every young person in this auditorium. Thank others also who probably did not get this information, whether it is 50, 60, 90. Marks are irrelevant. Get 95 or 100% in your lives. Be happy. Money nor marks can buy happiness. The only way we can turn our backs on the temptation of drugs is to take control of our lives. With these few observations, may the state of Meghalaya grow from year to year, from decade to decade, and long live the NPP and its frontline organizations. Khubor, Ithuh, Jai.
Ini program dekat siam jong kali bat dagajing kermen happy bagian ai yang ketika buram ke bakrau nam ta jongpi iwe piwe bat mupi yang ni baru ke semang pilong ke badan bok sikade namara ba ya pi ya ke jengla jongpi ya jeng treisom jongpi lai thu tang hayeng asem tang ke bok institution jongpi ri lai thoru hapa ka NPP bat hak jalai borak we ya ke jengla jongpi kata kelong ke badan kam ke ba pidi ban so thu namar ba ya ke treisom jongpi lala ban ai ta ke jingi thu lenel lai pilayo ya kata ka special recognition hak bre ba ke jengla jongpi hak jongpi ke jongpi Tiga scam pirang ya beteng ya kene ka ke jenglong ke jongpi ya kene ke jing ya testar jongpi habre ba ke jenang jeng stan namar bangi sutoi habangi pej hapa ke jela jgi hakleng lagi kita nang kam si bon ba ki khon samla ke ba mi khman ba pin salong kita kinong sandur ya ka state ke jongi laklong haka sarkar dan hakidu ki banta pidei mapi kinong sandur ya ke jela ke jongi Kedon bah kejing kermen hapi namar ni sutu syai bagi samla habaki temui rokam pidang la bele mar pidang don ya kemen sim pidang don ya ka jengkut jengmut ke jongpi pidang don ke jeng nu jongpi pidang don ke treisom jongpi bat lang don ru ya ka kemen sim ban sacrifice le ban ie ki berkhoi ban iem ya ka thong ke jongpi ikwa ya ka dur mar kumbolong manta abangi pet chapo kastir ke jongi pakhat ki bapas IS la slampa omdan shoot bapa IS po kat ki jala jongi last ko ka slam arja khat ar khat lai bangi IS bare next year ke jongi kata ka de benkli ban buak ke jengli phi hang ni re phiron kat ne ki samla hatu ka longmo bara ka jala jongi ki namdan ki IS ki namdan ki IFS ki IRS ki bahakawe jasngi Pi pensalong ki ban shong hati postgrad ban tau ki policies ki ba per nam ta ka state ka jongi I Dr. Ampri ladan hang ni dari senior politician ngang ladan post secretariat rengai I ya kata ka jingura ki dan kam ban mi ki breu jong mereka jala jongi ban long kita ki policies maker ban tau ki ai ba per nam ta ka state jongi baro ka we ai ba ka de ka jing kedua mental si ka de ka challenge bi Laki we kistik laban pin mi IS IFS terter balai ni ngemla kapakong sanglong ba pipit kut jingmut kanu ka em jo bibidon kut jingmut la refe kun jingmut kamdon ka pamla baro kadai ka bala kata kadai ka jingmut jong kadai ka jing kedo jingi menta kaski da ka jing kirkli ba da ka jing kermen abi ni belong ni di program bamta bagi soban ai kublei ya ka Npyf ka bashim ni ka senjam ka bakia hadu kata ban belong program ka mungkin ka mle ka basuk riklale ilak jong ka banta ka jongpi tedak le jonga sisien ai kublei pi baro ki samla puli ka dah ka por ai ba pinang la ban pen janai pinang la ban pen tension ya ka jingpuli ka jongpi nang ni sakhambat namar gidan kam tapi ki samla ki panang ki basta namar ka jenang ka jeng start na chupi kalong kum kawai lam arliang serti kanu kudu ka jenge kamla ban khan la bi don ka jenang jeng start ai batai jeng start kan song tanrai ha ki jengmut ki jeng bakhat ka jong pi ha ba wei ka ski ka stia jugi ka jala jugi ka pimi ki babun ka khrau prakhat ki ro start ki ro shampang ban penyai yak stia jungi baru ki ban long kita ki long shong snong nene kita ki aset ki babha nam ta ka jala jungi hi baro kowe kublai shibon ni pi baro kam tam ya ka Npyf Shillong sti bat kublai shibon pi baro ki samla puli tong ya chmat nang pentet shain ha ka jing puli ka jong pi ubleng ko
No? Is it there? Yeah. Okay, then we have Rachita Paul. Rachita Paul. Mi pawik. Tumang ngelamun mana boleh di YouTube. Ya kau boleh kisah apa enggak? Okay. Ilawan Kordot Lalu also another 90 plus, so she's 92.6%. Liting. Then Lycean Shisha Khongwil. Lycean, is you there? Ria Kharwatki.